welcome to Poul's Kitchen. It's Chef Paul with me today, Chef Amy.
Hi.
And say hello to Chef Sally. Don't pick on me, I'm only little. Alright, so today we're going to be making something that's going to solve a really big problem. What's that, you ask? Well, that's getting rid of a lot of garbage in your life. Garbage sucks. When you go to the grocery store and you buy food, they put preservatives, they put a lot of stuff in that you don't need. And it's just plain trash. And so how do we absolve ourselves from this? Well, we start making things fresh. So we're going to make some homemade oat milk. And so we're going to get our measuring cups and we are going to start by measuring out 3/4 cup should be a fill line in here. I'm looking for it. Yeah, I see it finally. Alright. So we got 3/4 cup of oat. I'm just going to leave that there. And then we're going to use 1 date. Now, Amy wants to use a prune, but
no.
I said no, but for sweetness, we're going to use 1 date. Now, you can add stevia to this. If you're not somebody that's concerned about sugar, you can put whatever you want in. I'm trying to keep this healthy, not crazy.
Some vanilla.
Put a little bit of vanilla in. We're using instant oats. You can use whatever you want. Rolled oats.
Some low salt.
Some low salt. Now we're going to start putting water in. Now, people say use distilled water, but I don't really agree with that. We're trying to use things that you should have at home and give you a reason to why you want an oat or a nut milk maker. And we're almost to the line.
Are we?
Almost. Okay, that's good enough. And since we just used water in it, it doesn't need to get cleaned because it's just water.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're going to put the cover on, make sure it's sealed, because if you don't, there's going to be problems. Yep, just one. Plug this in, and this is good because this milk, this can last up to 5 days in your fridge.
Yeah.
Not that it will last 5 days, but
no.
And we're just going to push this button. It's going to go on there. Now, a lot of stores are going to tell you, or a lot of places will tell you, oh, you need to have a specialized containers. You don't. You just need a mason jar.
Yeah.
That's all you need.
Or any jar that you have, really.
Any jar. You just want to make sure it's airtight, sealed, and go in the fridge. This is going to be awesome. It's going to taste really, really good. And best yet, I mean, the only thing you really have to make sure you have on hand is something for a sweetener and oatmeal. There's a lot of other recipes, and we're going to try a few more. This is not going to be the only thing we're going to use.
No.
So we're going to try soy, we're going to try nut, we're going to try, oh, and Chef Alejandro wants to say hi. Michelle, want your milk too, Daddy? He said, hi, everyone. I'm the big Shooky here. So we're going to leave this go, and it's going to take a little bit, not an hour or anything like that. It's probably like 20 minutes.
Half an hour.
Half an hour. And we'll be back very shortly. So please hit that like, share, subscribe button and join us on the journey to make cooking great again. Welcome back. So we're done. So first of all, we're going to unplug this and we're going to get ready our magical mason jar. And no, you don't need to buy anything special.
No.
You just need to have something. So let's open this up here and take a look. This looks pretty creamy.
It does.
So let's pour this in here. How's that look?
Really good.
Does that really look good to you?
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to give Amy a little taste of this, and then I'm going to get her to make a little bit of matcha. What do you think?
I like it.
Is it a lot more runny?
Yeah.
Is it consistency of milk?
Yes.
And how's it really taste?
It tastes really good, actually. It tastes better than store-bought.
Yeah. And
flavorful.
And it's natural. It's good. So now Amy's going to boil some water, make some matcha.
Yeah.
So she can bring that to work with her. And that's it. So I want you guys to hit the like, share, subscribe button. Let's make cooking great again. No unnecessary chemicals. This will last for 5 days. And if you can get your hand on a nut milk maker,
do it.
Do it. If you can get it for a good price, get it. Because you know what? This is great. So at the end of this here, we're going to soak this so this can be cleaned later. Really, really important. It comes with a brush. Use it. Make sure you clean the sprout and everything else. But yeah, 5 days. What do you think, Amy?
It's worth it.
So is this worth a jumping jack? So if you want more jumping jacks, guys, hit that like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you soon.